Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make ink spatters. So I really like ink spatters because on a piece like this, it fills out the space and it makes the calligraphy feel even more informal. So in order to do this, I would recommend a straight pen, and you can use any old nib that you have. So a nib that is no longer working for calligraphy will work for this. In fact, it's preferable, but I would say the Brause Rose nib is the best choice because it's so flexible, so it's going to give you those nice splatters. And then if you can dig out a piece of cardstock or an old business card, that's great because this will act as, you know, the surface that causes the resistance that causes the splatters. So I'm going to use iron gall ink today. You can use just about any ink, but I like very liquid inks like iron gall because it works well. And I just identify your areas that have some negative space. So up here at the top left, hold your cardstock or your business card about, let's see, 1.5 inches above the paper, and then put your nib against the cardstock and just push down. There we go. And then we'll find another area that has some negative space. And the harder you push, the more you're going to have big spatters. So if you don't have a lot of pressure, that's going to give you smaller spatters. I'm going to fold this paper over so I don't get spatters on the back. The ideal would be for you to not rotate your paper, so you just keep it in one place. But I wanted to show you the exact spot I was working on, so I rotated mine. And don't overdo it with the spatters because then your letters sometimes become illegible. Yeah. Let's get another big spatter down there. There we go. Just a couple more. And that is how you make ink spatters. I really like this method because I used to use a toothbrush before and that would get my thumb all inky. So this is a really nice mess-free way to do it.